Okay guys, we got this 2016 Chevy Malibu and they complain that the AC don't work and the sunroof don't work right and the check engine light's on. Well, we got this hybrid power control module. Looks like there's codes for the AC being low, or the pressure sensor being low, and then we got, because the hybrid commanded it on, so it looks like AC. And there's a 5-volt reference, and then we got the sunroof not calibrated. So let's see if we can do the sunroof. Okay guys, so we're doing the teach-in procedure. You just hold this and it'll close and open the shade. So watch, we'll see if we can do this again. It might not do it again. You hold this for 15 seconds and then it just automatically closes and opens. So I might have just already did it and now it might not do it. So there it goes. So it's gonna open all the way. And then it's going to close automatically while we're still holding this. And then it'll finish. There we go. So now, let's see. Now the open works. Look at that. There we go. Now automatic close works. So now we'll do the same with the sunroof, if it'll let us. So we'll just... There we go. So there we go, that works. And the close works. So, got the sunroof fixed. Look at that. So that's one thing done. Let's go back. Oh, I'm gonna have to reconnect to this car. Okay guys, so we just scanned the car. Let's see. So we don't have our code anymore. So let's go into our hybrid control module and check our AC. Let's see, read data stream, data display. That'd be heating and ventilation. Let's see, slick dull. Okay. High side, 117. Low side is showing almost no PSI. Let's go see where this low side sensor's at. And it shows the voltage. It's pretty much at 0. Do we have our high side voltage? Guess we don't. So guys, I found the issue. So the connector was cut right here. Looked like an animal chewed it. And then down here's the other end of it. You can see it's all cut. I just pulled back the stuff, but you can see. You can see what it looks like there. So we'll get this fixed and then we'll see if our AC works and we'll get rid of a 5-volt sensor code. The wire's fixed. Got them all soldered up. Right there. So we're gonna wrap some tape around there and then we'll see if it works. So guys, fix the wiring. Look at that. And let's see. Here we go guys, compressor's on, everything's working. Hope you guys like it. And we have no codes anymore. Let's see. Everything's normal now. I cleared the instrument cluster, so that doesn't even have a code. Hope you guys like it, see you later.